بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته, brothers and sisters. How are you? First of all, I owe you an apology because I've been very long time I didn't make a video for you guys. And today, inshallah, I'm bringing for you a very special one. It is about Ayat al-Nur in Surah al-Nur, the verse of light in the Surah of light. But before we go straight to Surah al-Nur, to the verse, the ayah, I need to clarify something because the ayah has this thing which I want to clarify it. The ayah is talking about two kinds of light, not only one. There is a light which is Nur, the translation in Arabic is Nur, and the second one is Diya, which some people call it Ziya. So Diya with Dad. Okay, so Nur, which is light, and Diya, which we can say it is glowing or too much light. And it is a status of light, like it's a level of light. So we get the both words, which is Nur. Nur is bigger, like a bigger meaning, which contain inside the light. I mean, it contain inside the Diya, which is the glowing. And the Diya, it is a level, one level of the Nur, of the light. Okay? So an example for this, so it become more understandable. When we say the sun gives light, this is not 100% correct. We say the sun glows. The sun, I'm talking about the Holy Quran. When Allah saying about the sun, He say, وَجَعَلَ الشَّمْسَ ضِيَاءً. The sun is diya, bringing light. This too much light called diya. But what about the light? He say, وَالْقَمَرَ نُورًا, the moon light. So I'm telling you that the light meaning has bigger portion of meanings. So I explain it more. For example, the rays, the invisible rays. This is not diya. This is light. Also, the infrared and the ultraviolet. All of this are light, but it's invisible. But the light which is visible and make it, and in some alims they say light with heat comes. So this is called diya. Even with the fire in the ayah which says كمثل الذي استوقد نارا فلما أضاءت ما حوله ذهب الله بنورهم وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. So Allah saying فلما مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا, a man who made fire, نار, fire. فلما أضاءت, see, ضياء. Allah mentioned ضياء here. أضاءت, this fire made light or glow the place. So this fire bringing light plus heat. فلما أضاءت, he didn't say ولما أنارت. No, not he didn't say the word from Nur. He said the word from ضياء. فلما أضاءت ما حولهم. What happened? See, in this ayah also Allah mentioned both kinds of light. فلما أضاءت ما حولهم, when it light up around it, ذهب الله بنورهم. He didn't say ذهب الله بضيائهم. ضياء, he didn't say that Allah took away from them the diya. He said Allah took away from them the light. وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. You know what does it mean? That Allah didn't even take the light which is the fire was giving, but He took every single photon was around there. Photon is the small particle which presents light. Not infrared, not no ultraviolet. Allah took everything, everything, every single light. Allah took it from them, not only the diya. That's why Allah said after this, وَتَرَكَهُمْ فِي ظُلُمَات, not ظلام. He made plural of darkness. ظلام means dark or darkness. But Allah said not in only one dark status. No, He said in the plural of dark, ظلمات. This is the plural of ظلام. So that means that it become layers on top of layers of darkness, because not even a single photon was left for them. وتركهم في ظلمات لا يبصرون. They cannot see. And also the eye of the human is so sensitive for the photons that it can detect few photons, few only. If you remain in a dark area for maybe a long time, so your eyes will be so sensitive for the light, and the inside of the eye will be open up to absorb more light. Even 3-4 photons, your eye will detect it. That means that your eyes are so sensitive for the light. Allah created it like this. So even this few photons was gone. Not only this, even the unseen light was gone. So again, the light, which is nur, the nur is the whole meaning, like the meaning which contain a lot of object inside. Among these objects is diya, which the visible light, and usually it comes with heat, the light of heat, with heat. But the light itself, it is more wider meaning. It contains the ultraviolet and the infrared, every single unseen rays. It is under the meaning of light. Okay, so I wanted to clarify this. I hope I made you understand the difference between the light and the glowing, or the diya and the nur, and this will put for us a base so we can explain in the coming days, inshallah, the meaning of ayat an-nur. We go straight, inshallah, to ayat an-nur. Thank you very much for watching me, and I hope you got valuable information that it will be useful for you, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.